To set up a store purchase on Uphold, start by opening the app or website. If using the app, tap the Transact button at the bottom of the screen to find the Anything to Anything section. On the website, this section is already open on the right side. Once you have this section open, click on Select Source and choose the asset you want to sell. Next, click on Select Destination and choose the asset or currency you want to receive. Specify the amount of the asset you intend to sell in the From field. You can also set a trailing stop by tapping on this option, which allows you to set a percentage at which you want the order to trigger. This percentage determines how much the asset price can decline from its peak before the order is executed. Note that the trailing stop option may not be available if the amount is less than $1. After setting up these details, click on Preview to review your order. And if everything is correct, click Confirm to finalize it.